Um, I'll go. Since Steven didn't demo some of his work this week, I'll demo it because then I built on top of it and did a couple bug fixes alongside. So again, credit to Steven here. I think, what do we want? We want this guy. So everybody should see my Chrome window. I'm just in Playground. I don't know, I stole somebody's connection, Hogwarts. Somebody must have been playing around with some Hogwarts data. But anyway, we've had quite a few complaints in the past or recently of schema refresh being slow and also challenging to debug when things go wrong. So we've started making some improvements to that. I'm just going to real quick run a schema refresh. Like it's kind of slow. And to show the new behavior, again, UI skills are awesome here. Steven added this piece where we now have some timing data around how long the different stages of schema refresh took. So you can see the total model generation and each schema that got generated, how long it took. So kind of useful stuff. And also if there was an error in the schema process, that should be surfaced here. I did some stuff to add to that. So we're just going to turn on branch-based schema refresh for this connection. And then once I do that, I should be able to just make sure this page picks that up. We had a fun bug that was showing the refreshing schema little progress bar indefinitely before. So you know, this should no longer do that. So we're going to refresh the schema. And before, this would have been just refreshing forever. So fixed that. And also, we now, you can see the time on this was 10:02. That's the schema refresh that I did when we were actually in model mode. Now we show the branch schema refresh in the connections page. And just so that it's clear what happened, we also will include a little target branch in the details here. So more of a PSA than anything else, but if you're having long running schema refreshes and you want to figure out what the heck's going on, there's now some data around that. And also if you're having any challenges figuring out why some schema refresh isn't working, come chat with me and we'll talk about getting more debug information into that little, refresh stats JSON payload.